Hello and welcome back to our energy series. Please like and subscribe to support our channel. This is our third video, and today's topic is energy efficiency and energy conservation. In this session, we will clearly explain the difference between the two concepts and why they are critically important in today's world. Energy conservation and energy efficiency are closely related, but distinct concepts. Energy conservation means reducing energy consumption by avoiding unnecessary usage. In simple words, it is about changing behavior. On the other hand, energy efficiency means using advanced technology that consumes less energy to produce the same output. Simply put, doing the same work but using less energy. So remember, conservation equals behavior change, efficiency equals technology improvement. Let's understand why energy efficiency and conservation matter today. Today, around 86% of global primary energy still comes from fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas take millions of years to form. But we are consuming them very rapidly for electricity generation, industries, vehicles, heating. In fact, in just the last 200 years, humans have consumed about 60% of these resources. If we continue like this, future generations will face serious energy shortages. That is why improving energy efficiency and conservation is not optional, it is essential. Also, energy efficiency is one of the most cost-effective ways to fight climate change. Let us see the major environmental benefits. Reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Reduces environmental pollution. Improves air quality. Preserves natural resources. The industrial sector accounts for about 41% of global primary energy demand. It also contributes nearly the same share of CO2 emissions. So even a small improvement in industrial energy efficiency can create a huge global impact. As engineers and maintenance professionals, we play a very important role in this. Let us take a simple example for energy efficiency: incandescent lamp versus LED lamp. Both produce light, but LED lamps consume much less energy and produce less heat. So LED is energy efficient because same output, light, less energy consumption. Lower carbon dioxide emissions. Now let us look at practical conservation examples: switching off idle pumps, motors, and compressors. Fixing compressed air leaks. Using air only where needed. Installing motion sensors for lighting. Switching off lights in unoccupied areas. These actions require awareness, not major investment. Let us divide the benefits into 3 levels. Level 1. Benefits for industry, which include reduced energy bills, increased competitiveness, improved productivity, better quality, higher profits. Level 2. Benefits for the nation, which include reduced energy imports, improved energy security, conservation of limited resources, more funds for development. Level 3. Benefits for the globe, which include reduced greenhouse gas emissions, sustainable environment, better future for coming generations. Remember, small improvements today can create a big impact tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Industrial Education Hub. See you in the next video of our energy series.